I'm always one step behind, wishing I could read your mind, but I'm ready.
From this. And we are here. Ayan. Jolie M's Hair Salon and Spa. I'm so excited. You guys gonna see my hair. You know, it's about time. Face is nice. I'm gonna get my hair done here. Yay! Hi everybody, we're here at Jolie Amy's Salon here in the Villa, and Queenie, she's gonna do my hair. It's been about like more than a year since I had my hair done. Oh wow! So I'm very excited to get them done again.
Yeah, girl, you need help. This is our stylist.
Come and visit us.
Yes.
So,
I said last time I want a
balayage,
but I changed my mind. I want to do it a highlight. You know, I want something in my hair, right? So actually, my friend Grace, she came here and her hair was amazing, and I was like, I want to get her hair like that. Mine.
she loves it, so now she wants highlight.
Yeah, and what's my color? I don't know.
How long will it take?
She got a ton of hair, so I think it's gonna take us maybe like
24 hours?
probably
Don't
Don't underestimate, I've done it before.
4 hours. I hope we will get done before.
Yes, and it is.
You asked
I
me,
hope. I know.
Yeah, because we're gonna have dinner later.
I'm so excited.
So
friends, follow them on their social media. I'm gonna put in the description box down below.
like and subscribe.
I know, and then I'm gonna put them in the in Instagram where you can find them, where they're located. So now let's get started. So let's do it.
Bye.
Hi!
Want it to match with your ends.
So I think I'm gonna cut my ends. I mean, whatever looks good on me. I'm
I
not
don't know that I would go in much lighter with your skin
Okay.
complexion. So I would just match it up to.
I'm gonna go mix.
Yeah, that's, by the way, that is the owner though. That was one of the owners, so, you know. Getting in a good hands, girl, is very important. From this to this.
Yes.
They have a lot of services here. They do makeup, they have facial spa. They have a lot of things going on here, which is really fun. You know? It's a very nice, cozy place, you guys. If you're around the corner, come here and get your hair done. Cause you're gonna get it. Queen. Hi. Follow her in Instagram.
Bisaya here, Tagalog, just English.
No, we need to do English.
Okay, yeah, that way. Like,
English only policy.
oh, really? That's what you've been doing?
Sometimes. No, so people can understand when they come here, you know what I'm
I
saying?
know.
Yeah.
That way, like, Americans can, you know.
Yeah, okay. By the way, Queenie is is this your certificate?
Yeah.
From Master Cosmetologist. It's a beauty school. How long have you been doing this?
Not that long. I've been a hairstylist for like 2 years now.
Mm-hmm.
A little over 2 years. Yes. Yeah. You know what? I used to do YouTube.
You do?
Yeah.
Why don't you do it?
But like that was like 2 years ago.
So you're the member of Intro Voice? You're
But
just
the thing
like
is, I
intro?
feel like I don't know much yet, and I wanted to like focus on like makeup.
Then do it now. Do you still have a YouTube
channel.
channel?
I even delete a lot of
Why?
videos.
So I think now you have an advantage because you know you do hair, you can teach people about hair. Hi.
Oh, hey.
I know you're fine. What's your name? You're fine. What's your name?
I'm Lindsay.
She's sort of the stylist here. Diba?
So what are you doing, balayage?
No, just like she at first she wanted balayage, but
I changed my mind. Because
She wanted a
she did my
highlight.
friend's hair. She came here and then she really had a nice hair. I was like, I want to look like that. I told her that.
she wanted
It's
a
it was. She said it's really nice. She's very happy. So
It'll look good. She does good. She's awesome.
you guys are amazing.
Oh my God, look at her. She's watching me.
I have another
Supervisor. I'm your supervisor.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
I bet Marshall loves Mickey and Minnie.
Nakaka-proud ka.
You better grab that tambourine. Bring the bass, we might be wicked. We may be forced to cause a scene. Make some trouble, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
This girl. It's a lot of hair.
I'm 107 pounds. 7 pounds of it is my hair.
That's a good look right there, girl.
You.
All right. Now we're gonna put you under the dryer. Right here. Where are you? Oh.
Look like an alien.
Yeah. And you're gonna be here for like 15 minutes. Awesome.
Kana, luto na kung ulo mo, ragsuman.
Yeah, I think you're cooked now.
Yes, I'm very cooked and well done. Yeah. It's shampoo time. Let's do it here. Yes. Oh, this is so nice. Claro, eh.
Yeah.
Oh my God, this hair.
Look at all these foils,
It's
guys.
heavy.
Yeah.
You better be there when I shake. Watch me rocking if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love. Ooh, I love it. Crank it up, yeah, yeah, yeah. Turn it up on a higher level. Turn it up, we got this.
This feels so good. Oh my God. I want to sleep.
I know, it's very relaxing.
I know.
Like everyone's favorite part.
Yeah, thanks shampoo.
Uh-huh.
My favorite part. We'll see you guys later. I'm almost done and I'm gonna show you guys the whole look later. And
Yeah,
yes,
we're gonna go dry it and style.
yee, let's do it.
From this to this.
Yes,
Pretty good.
thank you so much. So thank you, Jolie Salon, you guys. If you wanna get this hair done, just contact Queenie. She's going to be in my description box down below. Follow her on her Instagram, you guys. It's worth it. You guys, thank you so much. Hair colored by Quenniestylist. Yeah, she's going to be my Instagram, and yeah. Thank you, Julie Amis. Thank you, guys, for my hair. I love it. Thank you for Miss Nandi and Tracy. Thank you, Queenie. Thank you so much. So, you guys, if you want to get your hair done, please follow Queenie. Follow Julie Amis Salon and Spa here in Dacula.
Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You're the best. And you guys, do not forget to like and subscribe. And let's be friends, cause why not? And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye-bye.
I just wanna dance.